Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a breathtaking journey over Poland's most stunning landscapes. Buckle up because this drone tour is going to blow your mind. First up, let's soar over the mesmerizing Tatra Mountains. These rugged peaks are part of the Carpathian Range and they look absolutely enchanting from above. The snow-capped summits, lush valleys and pristine lakes make it feel like something straight out of a fairy tale. Next, I'm flying you over the Białowieża Forest, one of Europe's last primeval forests. This ancient woodland is home to the majestic European bison. From above, the dense canopy of trees looks like a vast green ocean. It's a sight you won't forget. Now let's glide over the Masurian Lake District. Known as the land of 1,000 lakes, this region is a water lover's paradise. The shimmering blue lakes interspersed with dense green forests create a stunning mosaic that's perfect for those who adore nature. Moving on, we head to the historic city of Krakow. With its medieval architecture and vibrant market squares, Krakow is a visual feast. The iconic Wawel Castle, towering above the Vistula River, is especially magnificent when seen from the sky. Lastly, let's drift over the Baltic Sea coast. The golden sands and azure waters of the beaches are truly captivating. The picturesque towns of Gdansk, Sopot and Gdynia add a charming touch to the coastline. And don't miss the Słowiński National Park, famous for its shifting sand dunes. Poland truly has something for everyone, from mountains and forests to lakes and beaches. Experiencing it from above gives you a whole new perspective on its natural beauty. If you enjoyed this aerial adventure, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which place you'd love to visit. Until next time, happy travels. See you in the next video.